Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, today's video is a really exciting one. I am doing a collaboration with Made by Dawn, Michelle, and Molly over at Art Flashes. Now, I've known these two ladies on Instagram and YouTube for quite a while now, and I usually talk to Molly every day, and uh, these are two great friends of mine, and these two are really, really talented. I would highly go check them out. Michelle is made by Dawn, and go check her video out. I'll link both of their videos on at the in the description for the collab. So what we decided to do, since Easter is this Sunday, we decided to do Easter bunnies, and well, I just like to quickly say, I started sketching some Easter bunnies, like prep work a little bit, um, for the drawing, and I was very happy with it, like sketching and everything. So you see me sketching a few bunnies here, and then at the end of the video, I will illustrate one. For you guys. Now we decided on a limited color palette, and it turns out I chose one color, which is pink, and so I'm really excited about it, and definitely go check them out. We've been talking over years. We've done several collaborations before. So I'm not sure if there's a whole playlist, but I can make one for our collaborations that we do. We usually try to collaborate, during the holidays or, every few months or something. And um, so it's really fun and collaborating with them. I've already seen Michelle Dawn's part of the collab. I haven't seen Molly's yet, but Molly, I'm sure you'll do great. I cannot wait to see yours, and I'm so excited that I loved Made by Dawn's part. So I'm like really, really excited and able to collab with them. We've been talking for several years now, since I started YouTube, and we've all came a long way drawing and learning new things. And I've always learned from Made by Dawn videos, and I've also learned from Molly's videos, and putting our style together and basically doing collaboration. We each have a unique style, which I love about their art, and their art is so talented and so amazing. I definitely highly recommend you go check them out. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say here. If you guys want, skip to the end or something, or just see the actual speed paint for the collab. Right now I'm just sketching bunnies, and I've had this planned out beforehand that I'm going to sketch a few bunnies, and I tried to do a bunny for the profile, but it was a little bit hesitant. I'll try to get the eye right and the body, and yeah, it's a little bit of a struggle, so um, still need improvement on that part, but I think I got it for the most part. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, I'll link their videos in the description below. If you celebrate Easter, happy Easter, but if not, that's okay too. If you guys have any questions, I just want to quickly say I'm doing this in Procreate on the iPad Pro, so I just want to say that quickly, and I'm using the Apple Pencil as well. I wanted to do this digitally because I've been getting into the iPad lately. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. If you guys want me to do a budding tutorial or something like that, let me know also, and I can definitely do that for you guys. But then again, the budding season is almost over. Oh, by the way, I wanted to talk about Animal Crossing a little bit, even though it's not related to the collab. But Animal Crossing has Bunny Day, and Bunny Day is so cute, and I can't wait to see what happens on Bunny Day. And so yeah, I just want to talk about that real quick. Sorry, my nerd came out. So, anyways, guys, go check them out and go subscribe to them, and they do amazing art. You won't regret it. And guys, Made by Dawn and Art Flashes, thank you so much for collabing with me. I love collabing with you guys, and I have so much fun doing that with you. And your art is just amazing, and I love talking with you, Molly, every day. I love talking with you too, made by Dawn. So thank you guys so much for collaborating with me. We're about to get on to the speed paint um, on the actual bunny that I've done. So here's the speed paint. So I'm really excited how this came out because I feel like I've improved it with my digital art. And we decided to do a limited color palette and with that, so I chose pink and blue for the eyes, and yeah. So if you guys again have any questions, I want to put music on the rest of it. I hope you guys have a happy Easter if you celebrate. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to check them out too. And yeah, bye guys.